Hi, Dai. Good luck sa final competition mo on May 4. Just enjoy the competition. Alam kong mananalo ka dyan. And proud na proud ako sa'yo. I miss you, love you. Ingat lang.
Hi, Selvina. Good luck sa competition mo. And ipagpe-pray ka namin palagi. Alam namin, kayang-kaya mo yan. Andito lang kaming pamilya mo na nakasuporta sa'yo. Good luck!
Papa.
Hi po, Tito Foxy. I wish you good luck to your competition. I know you can do it. Don't feel nervous. Be confident. I'm proud of you. I love you again. Good luck.
Bakit ganun?
Hi, Tita Sel. I just want to say good luck on your upcoming competition. We're so proud that you come so far, and all we want to say is good luck.
Hi, Tita. Good luck.
Hello nga pala sa pinaka-pogi kong tita. Kaya mo yan. I wish you all the best. Hopefully you win your competition. Laban lang. Panalo ka pa rin sa amin.